Running an AI model on your own computer sounds complicated. LM Studio makes it almost as easy as installing any other app. In this video, you'll set up LM Studio from scratch. You'll download your first model, turn on its local server, and even connect it to Claude Code. First, install LM Studio. Head to the official download page and grab the build for your system. Windows gets an installer, Mac gets a DMG file, and Linux gets an app image. On Linux, you make the file executable, then run it directly. No package manager needed. No account, no sign-in. Just open the app. Next, download a model. Click the search icon and type a model name, like Llama 3.3. LM Studio shows you every available version, plus a badge telling you if your hardware can actually run it. For most people starting out, an 8 billion parameter model at Q4 quantization is the sweet spot, around 5 gigabytes, and it runs well on 8 gigabytes of RAM. Click download, then load it. LM Studio reads the model into memory, and you're ready in under a minute. Now you can chat. Type a message and LM Studio streams the response back, just like ChatGPT. One setting worth checking early is context length. It controls how much conversation the model can remember at once. The default is often too small for long chats or big documents, so bump it up before you load the model. Here's where LM Studio gets powerful. Open the Developer tab and toggle Start Server. This turns your local model into an API, the same format OpenAI uses. That means any tool built for OpenAI's API can now talk to your local model instead, for free. You can test the connection with a quick command from your terminal, and you'll get back the exact model you have loaded. By default, that server has no password. Fine on your own laptop, risky the moment you're on a shared network. In server settings, turn on Require Authentication, then create a token. From then on, every request needs that token or it gets rejected. LM Studio can also give your model tools it doesn't have by default, like live web search. Install a search plugin from the LM Studio hub, turn it on, and ask something that needs current information. The model decides on its own when to search and shows you exactly what it looked up. And here's the one most people don't know about. LM Studio can power Claude Code directly. Set 2 environment variables pointing at your local server, and Claude Code talks to your model with zero setup. Just remember to bump the context length up first. Coding sessions need a lot more room than a quick chat. Last thing, GPU offloading. This one setting has the biggest impact on speed. Push more model layers onto your GPU, and you can go from single-digit tokens per second to 60 or more. If a model is too big for your hardware, renting a GPU by the hour is often cheaper than buying one. That's LM Studio. From install to a fully connected local AI setup, you now have a model running, an API server live, and a real connection to tools like Claude Code. The full written guide, with every command to copy, is linked in the description. Subscribe to our free newsletter for more AI tool breakdowns like this one.